Chirpy? I'm kinda busy here. You're in the way. Fetch! Phew, it worked. I can finally get to work.
Hey, Sammy. What's this?
It's my genius invention! I've mixed Avastars and Huntrix!
Sounds amazing. Can I help you?
Sure! You're gonna be my partner in craft!
First, we'll need special paper templates.
I've prepared everything, Sue! We'll need the head, hands and arms, legs, and the body. Easy! Here are the templates!
Wow, they're really well done. I can cut them out.
Sure thing! But be careful! It's sharp!
No worries, Sammy. I'm always careful. Besides, I'm a pro.
My partner in craft is the best!
Sammy, which demon hunter are we making first?
The first one should be the leader, Rumi. The second doll is going to be Mira. And the third one will be Zoe!
I'm done here.
Put it all together, Sue. I have a more urgent task.
What is this urgent task you're talking about, Sammy?
Of course I mean cheering for you, Sue!
Ah, I see. Then I won't disturb you, Sammy. Anyway, I'm almost done with the head. I think all the pieces are ready. But I'd better check. I didn't miss anything. Am I right, Sammy? Sammy, wake up!
Huh? I'm not sleeping! I was just thinking about the Huntrix's outfit design.
Great! But first, help me put this doll together.
Sure! But I want candy as a reward!
Okay, let's make it one candy for one doll you make.
You got yourself a deal!
First of all, we need to fix together the head and the body. Let's see if it fits. Awesome! Next, we'll attach the arms. Here it goes! Our next step is to assemble the legs. This little piece will help us hold them in place. Perfect, just what we need. Now we can finally glue them to the body. I'm using clear glue to avoid any messy stains. And the last step, let's see how it all looks when it's put together.
How about our candy agreement?
Sammy, you gotta do some work first. Could you attach this arm to the body?
Huh, no problem! I'll do it in no time! How do I actually do it?
Make sure to keep everything neat and tidy.
Done! It was as easy as I thought. Where's my candy?
Sammy, arms don't grow out of the head.
Does it matter if they work?
It makes sense. But let's better put it in the right place, okay? Here!
Uh-oh, something's missing. I've made hands, Sue!
Great job, Sammy! Sam's really good at it. These hands are very well made. Look, the arms are moving, and the head is turning.
Whoa, like a real person!
Next, we need to make the face. Which eyes, Sammy?
Give me a second to the side. Nope, these ones don't seem right either. How about these eyes, Sue? This purple color is cool. Do you agree?
Awesome! Then how about purple hair?
Yeah, let's do it!
She's a cutie, isn't she? This hairstyle is perfect for her.
Look at this braid, Sue! So long! Rumi's gonna love it. Be still, we don't want it crooked. Check out it here, Sue. It's all done.
Wow, Sammy! I didn't know you could make such pretty hairstyles.
I'm also a great stylist, Sue. Look at this outfit.
It's as bright as the sun. I like it. It's time to dress you up. It fits you perfectly. Do you like these shorts? They're very trendy. And a bright red belt to make it pop. We're almost done. Let's add the sleeves.
Special delivery! Sue, I've made boots!
I love how they match the rest of the outfit. And a few finishing touches. They'll make this outfit more personal. Rumi is ready. Let's start working on Mira. This time, I'm going to pick the face. We're making Mira, so we'll need these eyes. Ready? Ta-da!
Sue, do you like my new hairstyle?
Kinda cute. But Mira needs it more. Your outfit is ready too. Sammy made it, and I think it's very cool. I hope you like it too. Let's cover your arms with sleeves. That's better. Now you won't get cold. I really like this chain and charm decorating your skirt. Very stylish. Your boots are ready, Mira. They look comfy and cool. Let's check if they fit. Awesome! The size is just right. But let's make your outfit even better. Mira is ready and dressed up.
Ladies, you look gorgeous. Sue, we still need to make Zoe. Sue, great news! I did it! I've made the last doll!
Well done, Sammy. Then we can start styling her hair and dressing her up. This blue color really suits her.
Sue, where's my candy, huh?
Here.
Oh, that's better. Because I've already made clothes for Zoe.
Whoa, that's a very creative outfit, Sammy. These colors look great together. I hope you like this unique golden skirt. And the shoes to match. Some accessories will make the outfit look even better. All 3 demon hunters are ready.
Well, Sue, it's time to begin our incredible show! Wow, they look absolutely fantastic! Let's go!
They look even better than I hoped. Amazing looks.
That's true! And what do you think, friends? Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Bye-bye. Sammy, it's finally here. I can't wait to open it. Wow, you're gonna love it.
They're so cute! We've got the heads, but where's everything else?
No worries, Sammy. Everything is here.
Phew! Let's start with Rumi!
I knew you'd say so.
Hi guys, it's finally dress-up time! Yay!
Okay, Rumi, which outfit do you want today?
Sammy, hairstyle first. Aw, look how cute it looks on Rumi.
Perfect! Now the outfit, please.
Maybe we start with a simple, everyday outfit?
Sure, but I still want it to be cool.
Sure. How about a blouse and a denim skirt? Let's try on this outfit. Looks great on you.
Can I pick the shoes? Too massive. Too casual. These ones will do.
Great choice.
I've got such good taste.
I can't argue.
I think I need a hat too.
Good thing I already got it for you.
It matches your style so well. Don't forget about this. That's better.
It's high time to dress up Rumi's friends, too.
Alrighty, who's next? Let's check it out. Oh, it's Mira.
Shiver me cheddars. Sue, we're picking this dress. I insist.
This pink one? Great choice. Let's take pink shoes to match the dress. Now accessories. These hair clips are cute. They look as good as I thought. Do you like it?
I really love it. Thank you so much, guys.
I can't wait to check out Zoe's outfits. I'm so excited. Whoa, so many cool outfits. What do you like, Zoe?
I really love that blue jacket and skirt. Yeah, looks very stylish. I think these boots will match perfectly. I was right. This combo is amazing.
It's almost as pretty as pink. I love it.
Accessories time. Now the outfit is even cooler. They look absolutely fantastic, right, Sammy?
They do, Sue. But let's try other outfits, too. Ready for round 2?
Whoa, what magic is it? Everything is back in place. Time to try on a party outfit. You look gorgeous, Rumi. Now the shoes. Oh, I know. Yep, total match.
We shouldn't forget about a cute headband.
That's exactly what was missing.
Let's move on. What dress is Mira wearing?
Let's figure it out. Maybe this adorable outfit? We'll pair it with pink boots.
The best color!
Well, Zoe, your turn. What shall we pick?
That blue dress. It's the most beautiful dress ever.
Then let's take this dress and some cute accessories.
You look stunning, Zoe.
I think our girls look amazing in these outfits.
Hey, girls! I'm a big fan! You're the best!
Wait for me here.
Sammy, they're gone!
I think dress-up time isn't over. How about this outfit?
Why not? It needs to be comfy. High boots.
How do you feel, Rumi?
I can move easily, and I feel pretty.
That's just what we need. Let's move on.
You okay, Mira?
I feel great, brave and unstoppable.
It's time to dress up Zoe. Ugh, help, Sue. Holy cannoli, you look cool, girls. Why don't I have such awesome outfits? Wait a second. Oh no, the girls will be late for the concert. Phew, good thing we know something about magic here.
K-pop hunters are ready to meet their fans and rock the stage.
We forgot to show how we made the book.
You're right, Sammy. But it's never too late. Keep watching, friends. We'll show you how it's done.
I can't wait to start, Sue. Wow, look at this. The pictures are so bright. Let's finally put the book together, Sue.
Sure. There are so many interesting pictures and things here. I can't wait to start myself.
Can I see what you're making too? I want the same book for my band.
Hey, Ginu, what are you up to? I'm watching you.
Sam's actually very good at detective work. So watch out and don't do anything naughty.
I'm not plotting anything, I promise. I just like what you do. I think it's super creative.
We could make a book for your band. What do you say, Sammy?
I'd say we'll see. If you behave, we might make a book for you too.
I think we should ask the girls first. It's their decision. Shall we make a book for Ginu and his band?
We don't mind. I don't think they'll try to harm us again.
Dice, how about you? Would you play with a Saja Boys book?
Say yes, please. Look, I'm helping.
Oh, good job, thank you.
I can do the same. No problem. Voila! Easy peasy.
Well, I've been quite busy too. Yay, it's time to put it all together, Sammy.
I can use my building skills. Well, what do we start with? Tough choice. Guys, stay with us to see how we put it all together. Sue, I think we should start with these pages.
Good idea.
You'll definitely need...
Gotcha! Here you go!
Thanks. Oh, this tape is just what we need.
Don't forget about our idea.
Yeah, to make our book even more exciting.
What are you keeping in there?
It's a secret, but you'll see very soon.
You're so mysterious, Sammy.
Come on, girls. It's heavy, but aren't we strong warriors? Oops.
Oh, that's the last piece I was looking for.
Yay! Sue, let's finally assemble the book.
Pink. Who does it belong to?
Heh, it's mine. Pink is the best color, Sam agrees.
If Sammy could have his way, the world would be pink.
But blue is nice too.
I won't argue. It's the second prettiest color.
One more detail is missing. Ta-da! Way better. It's time to make the cover.
And we're done! But why was it so fast? Did we forget something?
Can I peek inside? It's kinda empty, Sammy. But I've got an idea. You can use these pictures.
Oh, that's just what we need.
You'll also need hairstyles.
Ouch! Hold on, I'm busy.
I like the way Tinu thinks. We'll need clothes, too!
Guys, wait! It's too much. Let's do it in order. First, I'll cut out these pictures. Gotta focus.
Hurry up, Sue! I want to play with the book! Come on!
I promise I'm doing my best.
These tiny items are the cutest! This wig's gonna be mine!
Sammy, come on. You've got tons of wigs of your own.
I don't think so. There's no such thing as too many wigs!
You're done, Sue. That was fast. Great job! Time to put them all in place.
These outfits are so stylish, but the size is wrong.
Because they aren't for slimes.
Sue, we shouldn't have empty spaces.
Don't worry, Sammy. I'm working on it.
I got a new wig! What do we say? Cool?
It's not, because it's mine.
Not any longer! Uh-oh!
Give it back.
That's fun.
A bit of zigzag magic! I'm the Flash of the magic world.
Wow, thank you, Sammy. By the way, I have already cut everything out.
Let me see. What if there's something I need? I want everything. Look at this guitar!
First my wig, now the guitar.
Ah! Sue, help!
Give it back.
While the guys are busy, I'll put all the clothes in their places.
It's good and all, but my guitar is important too.
No worries. I'll keep it safe.
I've realized something, Sue. You shouldn't take other people's things.
That's right. Now, let's fill Rumi's pages.
I think we gotta upgrade Sasha Boy's outfits.
Yeah, you need to catch up. But we also have amazing swords.
Gotta be careful. This sword is sharp.
Show me my pages, please.
Sure, here.
Don't forget about the hairstyles.
There's a special place for them right here.
What else do we have? Let me take a look.
Wait, Sammy, these flaps open too. There will be more wigs here.
That's a great idea, Sue. Guys, if you want to make a similar book, make sure to subscribe.
Like this video and listen to our songs.
Look at the amazing book we made. See you in the next video.